Very both copies, eh? So no, don't collect right now. With the captain and vice captain, it is their duty. Captain and vice captain, please collect, eh? Make bag money straight, everyone. Make your backbone strong, and who is going to present, the person will get this mic also, no problem. Okay, there are two mics, see? One mic is here, one is there. So I'm going to share the screen mirror. But first I'm going to check whether this group, they have sent their work or not, and one group will get chance to present today. Okay. Group A, which chapter have you done? Group A, chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1 they will present, right? Who are the members? Members of Group A. Avishai is absent, right? Okay, others they will do. Now let me check whether they have sent or not. Is the work sent? Sent, okay. Let me. Wait a minute, eh? Wait a minute. Everybody be ready, be act. I think it's already shared. Not shared. Now shared. Very good. Now let's check their activity. Please sit down, everybody. Make back money straight. Don't hold anything in your hand. Why do you need your pen? When there is need of pen, you didn't use. You didn't complete your work. Now holding the pen in your hand. Okay. Now you can check this work. Jain Lama, okay. Sarvani Gautam. Who sent here? Group A? From which name it has come? Jain Lama. Okay. Group A. Okay. First we'll check whether everybody has sent or not. Right? Here is presentation of Group A. Okay. How many? 7 slides are made. What is the topic? Scientific learning and practice activities and objectives of practical activities and experimental works in science and scientific test and survey. Survey, they have given only heading only. Importance, this and that is not there. Only this much. What is the last in that first chapter? Will you check? What is the last person? Sorry? Robotics is chapter 2. He is confused. This is class 8, eh, boy? Sorry? Survey, and there is advantages, disadvantages?
Sample of report title, introduction of techniques, method of data collection, analysis of
Means he has just given definition only, right? Okay, this made. Okay. Give you a big round of applause. At least he has done the work. Right? Okay. Now, your turn is there, eh? When I check everybody's, then I will allow Group A. How many members are there today?
3.
So, either 3 or 2 or 1. Whoever wants to come and present, it's okay. They can present. But they have to look at there and explain. Understood or not? Then Jain Lama is over. Now which one? Sarvani Gautams. Which one it belongs to? Sarvani's. Group C. I think Group C they have done biodiversity and environment. How many headings are here? Importance of biodiversity, biodiversity conservation. Okay. Give Group C a big round of applause. They also have done great. Now, Rakshak Rana Magar. Which group you belong to? Group F. Group F. Means lesson 6 is there. How many PowerPoints are there? Oh, this is the photo. What is this? Force in motion, one photo came. No PDF has come. Yes or no? Only photo came. That means you didn't assess that as the correct one, right? So, okay, next. Group A, who are the members of Group A? Done. Group B, where is yours? Sit down. Sorry? Yes, send me where? Yes, send means where yes send? When did you send? Sorry? Spam. Oh, okay. Sometimes more. Spam. Is loading. Let's check. Group B, it hasn't come, right? Who is there? In which name you have sent? Which one? Prajwal Maharjan? Outlook? What is that? Padam Bora? Krijal Khanka? Rashmi Manandar? Krijal Khanka? Aditya Shrestha. Where is it? Which one is yours? Any? Then, while sending one copy, you have to send to me, one copy you have to send to your leader. You have to attach. Where is this? You haven't sent. So, you haven't done your work. Group C, what is your work? Produce loud sound.
I have shared my group over.
What are your group members? Did you prepare? Did you prepare? Why? I'm asking why. Why didn't you prepare? I asked you a question. Why didn't you prepare?
It's not saying we are saying I have prepared. It's not saying topic.
Oh,
No.
why he has to say topic? I already give you topic.
We are saying that we will have prepared half hour.
Yeah. So she said you have to give more duty to do. Why didn't you give? When? Where is your work? Why did you forget? You are forgetting everything. And why did you forget to come to school? You? And you, where is your work? Okay, they forget. Where is your work? Today, you discuss yourself and tomorrow it must come to me. Is that clear? And you have to send to me, not your friends. Leader, from next time leader will send. So you must not finger out to others. If your member is sending, you must just attach or means write email address of both of the persons. Teacher also, leader also, then they can find out. Okay? Sit down. Tomorrow it must come. Which group is that? Group D. Which is in group D? Who? Sarvan is. Okay, good. Group E. What's your work? I asked you, what's your work? Why didn't you send? Why did you come to school? Not send means why didn't you come to school? You could stay at home. What happened to you? Where's your work? Where's your work? Stand up.
We
Sorry?
didn't discuss.
Why didn't you discuss? You have to discuss in messenger also, whatever is there. You have to be friends.
He's not.
Who?
He was out of valley.
You are not out of valley every time. You have to do your work. And you? What happened? What happened? Why are you laughing? Why did you make it? I asked you, why did you make it? Produce sound. Why didn't you make it? Say. 2-3 slaps I will give you next time onwards. This word don't tell, hey, class it. You don't have same. What did you remember? How to waste time? You forget and forget and forget. You were in my office also earlier. You all. Work not done, absent. If you remain absent, ask your friends what is your work and complete. Tomorrow it must come. Sit down. And you, that group? Where's the photo? Only photo came. Why? So, attach correctly. Eh? Sit down. If so, group A is going to present now. Group A, please come. Group A, what is yours? You find out. Group A. Wait a minute. So, I will give you one speaker also. Okay, are you going to present? Which side talking there? You didn't do your work correctly and you are side talking. Like after him, who is going to do? Jen? You? Don't talk. Slowly. Okay.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all. It's me of Kupal from Group A, and I am the member of Group A, and I am going to present about Chapter 1 Scientific Learning. Scientific learning. Scientific learning is the process of acquiring knowledge and understanding of the natural world through systematic and evidence-based method. Uh, we can do practical work inside the laboratory to get extra knowledge and do outside also. Practical activities in science are core activities, directly related activities, complementary activities. Core activities include hand-on activities such as different investigation. In core activity, we can do with our hands some projects. Directly related activities, they include practical demonstration performed by planning and designing scientific investigation. In directly related activities, we can plan demonstration and design complementary activity. Complementary include the user of presentation, role-playing model, computer simulation.
Namaskar everyone. It's me, a member of Group A. I'm going to present about three objective of practical activities and experimental works in science. Objectives of practical activities. There are many objectives of practical activities such are develop a broad understanding of scientific concepts and theories. The objective of practical activities is to help students get more interactive and get more knowledge through practical activities. Develop communication. The practical activities help students get communication by communicating to each other and getting information. Develop practical skills and techniques. As you all know, doing practical activities in science helps the student get first-hand experience and become more interactive towards the surroundings. Gain first-hand experience of materials, organisms, and processes. Um, the student gain first-hand about the knowledge first-hand knowledge about the organisms, materials, and processes they are working on, and they can explain it better in a better way. Experimental works in science. Uh, Experimental works in science refers to the systematic process of conducting controlled and planned tests or observations in order to investigate and understand natural phenomena. As you all know, experimental works in science is done to uh, done in a planned way in order to investigate and understand our surroundings, our phenomena, and our things. Use one. Scientific test or scientific test is a type of experiment designed to examine a hypothesis or answer a solved question using a controlled and systematic approach. Research work is a systematic inquiry which aims at discovering new knowledge or expanding our understanding. Survey.
Survey. How survey?
Survey is a method of gathering information using relevant questions from a sample of people with the aim of understanding population as a whole. Thank you.
Explain.
Survey is a method.
Look at them and say, not look at this man.
Survey is a method of gathering information using relevant questions from a sample of people with the aim of understanding population as a whole.
You realize same thing? Yes or no? Actually, so if you are going to present, then what to do? You must practice more and come, eh? Understood or not? Reading is very important. Then only you can do something. So they have made slide, but they have done little work only. Just one sentence, next sentence like that. It's not sufficient. At least define it, give some example, mention their merits, demerits, etc. Is that clear? Okay. Now today I have already given you work to make that chapter wise slide, right? Yes or no? Chapter wise slide. Now I will give some students only to make few slides and present tomorrow. So tomorrow onwards, what do we do? We will be discussing about these things. Now I'll show you here. Modern graded science class 8. I think where is it? Class 8 is here somewhere else. Here is 10. Here is 10. This pen came here. Let me open the book, right? I'll open the book. So, if work is given to them, then only they will do work effectively. All right. So, last time it was discussed up to virtual reality, right? Yes or no? Means
Living beings are very structured.
okay, today I am going to provide you some work to make slide and present tomorrow. So this is different. This work is every day's presentation. At first, student will present, then we'll discuss and finish that day's lesson. Is that clear? So presentation is not writing little bit and then reading. You must explain as well. Okay. Living cell. This one. It is going up, right? So living cell, there is one device. What is the name of that device? A microscope. Living cell, shape and size of cells, and up to structure of a cell and its parts. That is the heading. Up to Plant cells.
Parts of cells.
Up to where? Plant cells. Tomorrow we'll be discussing about parts of cell. Means next day's matter is that. So what to do? Uh, now it goes up. Which page number they have to be prepared? Page number 47,
48,
page number 48,
49,
page number 49, page number 50 and page number 51. 47 to
51.
51. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. I think if the duty is given to one student, is okay. Whom should I give the duty? Who can do this work? Who is very smart in presenting? Now I'll find out the smart student for presentation. Nirajan, your duty. Okay, Nirajan will make this minimum 5 slides. How many slides? Read those pages and make important notes and express over there so that you can express easily. Understood, Anand? So this work is given to Nirajan today. Next day, I will give another work to another student. But every student will get chance. But I will give this duty to the smart student at first, who can present, who can prepare well. Next day, Kishore also will get this duty. So I think you are a bit lazy. You have to be active, and you others also. Those who are very lazy students, I will give them more work. If more work is given to lazy students, then we can get output very fast. Smart are already smart, no? We have to make everybody smart. And there will be a habit to produce a little bit louder sound. Surjati also be active. Bomja also be active. We are also be active. Okay? Now everybody open your book. Read from this page. Okay, I'll just make it on. Okay. Please start reading from here. You can read from here. Come on. Together, everybody. Look at there and read.